Hi guys, Royce from 3D Print RV, home of Klevacool fridge fans. We often get asked, how do we measure the size of our vent? It's dead simple. You just need a tape measure and your vent. The first thing to do is measure the width of the vent. I can see measuring that's 520 wide. You go from end to end. Then we measure the top. I can see that's 280. I'm measuring from the very top of the vent to the very bottom. And the last measurement that's really important is the depth behind the vent. Now that's actually measured not from inside here or anything like that. It's measured from outside, the outside wall of the van. So we measure in, and I can see that's 55 millimeters deep. So I'd actually need to use a spacer on this one to get the fans to fit properly. We have other options, but you can discuss that with us on our contact page. My phone number's on the contact page. If you're ever unsure, please give me a call. Cheers guys.